G'day guys, Alex from the support crew at Paperform, and again I'm excited to announce a newly released feature, the rating field. So let's take a look. Alright guys, I just finished creating a quick and easy pottery workshop form. Simple flow, we'll have students come to the workshop and we want to send them this form after they have attended so they can give feedback on how they feel the workshop went. It's an extremely simple form at the moment. All I'm prompting the submitter to input is their name and email address. So let's go ahead and create a couple of rating fields or rating questions. I'm going to click add question, and then from the field type drop down, I'm going to select our rating field. Voila. Let's give a title to this question. How would you rate your workshop? Simple, straightforward. Alternatively, we can create a rating field by using the slash command. We'll click on a blank space, type a / and then type rating and select the rating question. For this question title, I'll type, how would you rate your workshop leader? Easy peasy. Now we can enter the configuration for a individual question field by selecting the cogwheel icon we see on the right hand side. So we'll enter the configuration for this field. And we'll notice that by default, we currently have a maximum rating of 5. If we want to change that, we click on the drop-down menu here and we can select anything up to 10. We'll also notice that by default, we have the star icon selected. If we click on the rating icon drop-down, we'll be able to select a heart, star, thumbs up, or users as a default icon. But more excitingly, we can actually upload our own image to be used as the icon. So let's do that by selecting custom. We'll then be prompted to upload 2 individual images. We'll click choose a file. I'll jump to the correlating folder. And earlier I actually created a couple of icons for this here example. So I'm going to upload that for my not selected image or icon and my selected image or icon. Once those have uploaded, we'll see in the default answer our field has been updated. There we go. So let's quickly jump out and take a look at the live view of our form, ensuring we save our changes. We'll click the eye icon and voila, there we go. So if we scroll down, we'll now see our rating fields on the live view of our form. So we'll run a quick test submission. Your name, alex@mail.com. And let's rate the workshop. We'll go with a total of 4. And for the workshop leader, let's give them a 5-star. Why not? And we'll hit submit. Voila. Now, we can achieve with Paperform's smart features much more using the rating field. If we jump back into the form editor and scroll down, we can actually use the rating field to set logic rules on our form. I'll show you what I mean. Let's say, for instance, we want some more context when we have received a bad rating. I'll create a quick question here. What could your workshop leader have done better? Simple enough. Now, we would want this question to only appear if the submitter rates our workshop leader on the low scale. So I'm going to jump into the configuration, set question visibility logic, and let's go, how would you rate your workshop leader? We'll go with a value of 1. Let's also add a value of 2 because that's what we would consider as a low rating. Groovy. Now we'll jump back onto the live view and take a look at what that achieves. Here we go. We'll scroll down to that particular question. There we have it. Now let's give that rating of 1. And as we can see, the text question now becomes visible too. And if we go 3 and above, it will again become hidden. What else can we do? Well, perhaps you'd like to determine an average rating for your form or use your rating fields within other calculations. You can do this. So we'll quickly create a calculation field here. Scroll down, select that field. I'll select average rating and we'll jump into the calculation configuration. Then we're going to pipe in our question fields or our rating fields. We'll go that plus that. We've only got 2 fields at the moment. So we notice if we add those together, it's going to add the total that our form has received in regards to its rating. If we would like to determine an average rating, well then simple enough. We'll just close that into brackets and divide it by 2 because we have 2 question fields. We can see that our form has determined an average rating of 4.5. Easy enough, guys. Well, now it's time for you to play around with the rating field. Good luck and have fun creating.